how we can remove the minimum payment requirement on orders. Some people have reported that there's a way to bypass that. And one of the ways that you can do so on the phone is by pressing the headset emoji, which helps you get to customer support. And then you go to the bottom of the screen, you go to contact us, and you ask them, as I have been asking them profusely, I want to remove the restriction, and I want to remove the minimum payment requirement. However, I'm in one of those countries where it doesn't really allow me to do so. But I've done some research over on the interwebs, and I discovered some people say that it works for the first 5 or 6 orders, but then you're going to have to create a new account entirely in order to bypass that. I'm not sure if that's morally okay or not, but basically the summary of what people have been saying over on the internet is that contacting the Temu customer service is the thing, which is the thing that we just did, is the most helpful. Switching from the app to the desktop version has also been reported to work. Some received small credits or discount coupons for like 10 or 20 bucks off. And what didn't work is that people from the UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand just couldn't get it to work, much like I did here. Several said that the minimum order suddenly increased, actually just sort of out of spite, I don't even know. Users are frustrated by inconsistent limits across accounts in the same country. So let me know if this works for you or in your country. And if you found this video helpful or not helpful, subscribe. Let us know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching.